Introducing the ROVE R2-4K Dash Cam, designed to deliver exceptional performance and security for your vehicle. With 4K Ultra HD video recording, it captures stunning detail at a resolution of 2160p. The Super Night Vision technology, powered by a Sony IMX335 sensor, f1.5 aperture, and a 6-glass lens, ensures crystal clear footage even in low-light conditions. Stay connected with built-in Wi-Fi 6, allowing you to manage and download videos directly to your iOS or Android device via the ROVE app. Instantly share your recordings on social media at speeds of up to 6 Mbps. The integrated GPS provides precise driving location and speed data, letting you review routes on Google Maps using the app or ROVE's GPS player. Packed with advanced features, the dash cam includes a 150-degree wide-angle lens, loop recording, motion detection, time-lapse video, and a G-sensor to automatically lock critical recordings during an impact. A built-in supercapacitor ensures durability and reliability even in extreme temperatures. It supports microSD cards up to 512 GB, offering plenty of storage for extended journeys. Memory cards sold separately. Backed by a 1-year warranty and Chicago-based customer support, the ROVE R2-4K offers peace of mind with responsive service. Experience the ultimate blend of cutting-edge technology, reliability, and superior video quality with the ROVE R2-4K Dash Cam.